What's up, guys? My name is Tony Cutts, and I'm a barber out of Bensalem, PA, and we are at No Pushbacks. I opened this barbershop in 2018, and I'm sure any business owner will relate. Shortly after, coronavirus hit, and we all know that was not easy for any business. Me, especially just starting out, I was about 22 years old. I didn't even know how I was gonna survive the next month. I had rent that was due, bills that were due, and I had a whole team of barbers that all needed to work with nowhere to work because we were shut down. But luckily, I was a part of a bank called Inspire Federal Credit Union, and I really just want to give them a huge shout out right now because without them, I don't think I would be in business right now.